This conference will now be recorded.
So, good evening, all. So, I am Raghu, and I'm having 10 years of experience in digital marketing, cumulative 10 plus, I can say. So, my skill set is into lead generation as well as making money in the online platforms. So, my voice is audible to everyone, right? Pavan, um, Dr. Suresh, and Samatha Reddy. So, just type in the chat box. So, my voice is audible, right, for all of you? Is it clear? Okay. Dr. Suresh, there, Dr. Suresh? Yeah, nice. So, session only. So, now today it's just an introduction. I'll take you through what all the topics I'll be covering from tomorrow till 3 days, and I'll give you some time for practicing as well, how to go about the things and how to create blog and all the stuff. I'll help you out in that. Okay. So the major aspect today is how to earn money through online platforms. So that's a $1 million question, and everyone is definitely looking out for the opportunities on how to make money in the online. I mean, in any online platform, be it Google or any other thing. So now we will have a brief look into all the aspects. See, there are many platforms from where you can earn money, but can we trust all the platforms? We cannot trust all the platforms just because someone will say, if you just place something on our website, will you can make money. Yeah, there are some websites which do support it. Someone comes up with another concept, says when you click ads on our portals you will be making money. But how many can we trust, and how many can we rely on, and where we can make real money? So that is a big question. And how we can make real easy money. Easy in the sense, we have to definitely keep the efforts. I'm saying the money would be directly coming to your account. That's how I'm saying the process. The process will be easy, but you have to definitely spend time, and you have to definitely give your efforts on what you're doing. Okay. So now, what are the major sources to make money in the online platforms? Like blogging is one aspect, YouTube is another aspect, and affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. So, how many of you are aware about blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and influencer marketing? You can just type, or else you can unmute and speak as well. How many of you are aware of how to make money through these platforms? Are you people aware of those things? I mean, do you know, like, we can make money out of these things? Are you aware of it? None. Okay, fine. That should not be a problem. I'll definitely take you through that. not an issue. So so what are the examples? I'll just take you through the platforms. Okay, don't know the process, yeah, that's fine. I'll take you through the process now. I'll just give you the examples. Now everybody is able to view my screen, right? So do you know these people can make money out of the visitors? This is a website which gives information about offers on various e-commerce portals. Now, how these people are able to make money out of it? I'll just take you through the concept only today, okay, on how they will be able to make the money. Now, I'll just give a glimpse on how Google is going to pay you. Okay, now whatever the information you're going to publish on that blog is going to attract the users. Now, when Google is going to utilize your platform for generating revenue, I mean for displaying ads, then Google will be liable to pay you some amount. You're getting my point, guys? When Google utilizes your website for displaying it ads, then Google will be liable to pay you amount. So now where Google is getting the revenue from? Now what businesses will do? Businesses will register with Google Ads. Okay, there they will pay the amount to Google for displaying their business ads. Okay, now when those ads are displaying on your website, Google will share a portion of revenue with the website owner. Why? Because it is the property of the owner. Google is using the property of a third party owner. So Google will be liable to share its income with that particular owner. Now, in this screen, you may well see this ads by Google. Ads by Google. Now, how to enable these? I'll definitely take you through the process. Okay. Now, as you can see here, you'll be seeing more ads. Now, this is one more ad, ads by Google. Okay, so in this way, when a user is visiting the website, if the ads are displayed, automatically Google will be liable to pay a portion of the revenue to that particular website owner. So this is how you get the income basically. Now you understood the process, right? Process in the sense, what is the formula that essentially works with this? I just said that process in the sense I didn't explain how to register, how to prepare a blog. I didn't reveal the concept. I just gave you the formal concept on how it goes basically. So everyone understood it, right? So in the next part, now when you go to YouTube, Now YouTube channels will be there. For example, if I click this video, and when ads are running on this video, the YouTube channel owner will get the amount. Okay, the owner of the YouTube channel will get the amount. So everyone knows YouTube ads, right? So when you are just viewing the video, it will just come on the top. It will just come on the top, as well as it will just come in between where the yellow lines will be there. You'll be able to see the ads here. So the sound is too much, guys, so I'm not just opening. So everyone, I hope everyone have idea on how YouTube ads will appear. Everyone are aware of it, right? About YouTube ads, everyone. Samta, Pavan, Satish. Okay, so whenever you are viewing any YouTube video, obviously the ads will be coming on the videos, and the owner of the channel, YouTube channel, who displayed the videos will be able to generate the revenue. Okay, so these are two aspects. Now all the amount will reach you through Google AdSense, guys. All the amount will reach you through Google AdSense. Okay, now the third one is affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. Now the same website, indiafreestuff.in, that is a part of affiliate marketing. Now the same guy will be able to generate the revenue in two ways. How? Now I'll explain that concept as well in a very simple manner. Now, what sort of promotions are you able to see here? The product offers on third-party e-commerce portals, right? So you're able to see ads from, I mean, promotions from Amazon, Nykaa, and what all? Udemy. So you can see various e-commerce portal promotions are visible in this website. Now, how exactly it works, how this affiliate marketing works? Now let us assume I'm just clicking this product. Now it will be tracked. As you can see here, the top code, it will be tracked. Now if I make a purchase of this particular product, a commission will be shared with the India Free Stuff website. Okay, a commission will be shared with the India Free Stuff website. Now that is called as affiliate partnership. Okay, now you are partnering with a major portal to promote their products or services on your website. So once, if they are able to make any sales out of your website users, they will pay a portion of the sale through a commission account. Okay, that is called as affiliate marketing. So everyone understood the basic concept, right, guys? So I'm just trying to explain, I'm just trying to give you an idea how this works, basically how it exactly works. Now in next 30 days, if I am going to purchase this product from my website, I mean from my laptop, automatically some portion, a portion of the amount, it depends, Usually affiliate partnership will depend from 2.5% to 10%, and it even goes to 20% on some products. Okay, guys. So let us assume if it is 1,000 rupees, that website guy will get around 25 rupees. Okay, if it is 1 lakh, he'll get around 2,500. Right. So in this way, the website owners will be able to make a very big amount of money when cumulative sales are being done from their portal. Okay, so that is the third aspect, affiliate marketing. And the fourth one is influencer marketing. Now there is no need to explain about this, I mean much about this. So who are influencers basically? Now, any ideas, guys? Who are influencers? Yeah, anyone can unmute yourself and you can explain. Who are influencers basically? People who have many followers. Absolutely. Yes. Now, on what platforms you are able to find influencers? Now, how this works? Absolutely. Instagram, Facebook. Yes. Yes. You're forgetting the latest sensation. Yes. YouTube. Absolutely. Twitter as well. Yep. YouTube. Yep. Your point is correct. I'm happy no one mentioned TikTok. LinkedIn as well. Yes. So TikTok is there on the radar, but yes, as it is a Chinese product, that is the reason I said no one mentioned it. So now TikTok is one major sensation, uh, who which is making zeros to heroes. I can say there are many common people who are not known in the market at all. Were able to penetrate into the market with their videos and all the stuff. Yeah, it definitely provided them a platform to showcase their knowledge and talent. Yes, many of them became overnight stars as well through TikTok. So there are many profiles of such a kind. Now, how these influencers are able to generate money? Okay, how these influencers are able to make money out of it? See, the money will be again with your PR. No platform is going to pay you money through influencer marketing. Okay, now businesses are going to pay you the money. Now how it works exactly? Now let us assume in any YouTube or else say Instagram, if there is a star, if there is any star, like if you are trying to reach a celebrity, let us assume any uh, film celebrity, whoever it might be. Now you want that celebrity to speak about your brand. Okay, or else I'll just directly come to the point. Mm, yeah. I just forgot the name of that channel, guys. uh okay, leave it, no problem. I'll definitely let you know the name of the channel. I'll explain how it works basically. Now, as Pawan pointed and all you pointed, you need followers to earn money out of influencer marketing. Let us assume in Instagram you're having 1 million followers. Now what happens exactly is, now a beauty product will try to approach you and they'll say, if you speak about our product, we will pay X amount to you directly. You're getting my point? So that's how these influencer marketers will generate revenue for them. Now TikTok, why I said it is, many girls who are on TikTok, they do daily videos, and in between you can also find they'll try to promote some uh, modern western wears, or else say any beauty product. Now that is all promotion. Now they are trying to promote a product to their followers. Now for that they will charge. Let us assume 1 million viewers means volume, 1 million subscribers means at least 10 lakh people. Now with their advertisement, the ad is going to reach around 10 lakh people. So on that assumption, the business will pay a certain amount to the influencer. So in this way, influencer marketing is gaining a lot of popularity in the modern trend. So many influencers are able to make revenue out of it. So these are different sources on how we can make money in the online platforms. Okay guys, so major focus will be on dealing with the AdSense account. I said the easy way to make money whenever you are free, and how to crack it, all the things I'll explain. Okay, now I'll just let you know how to design a blog. I mean, in tomorrow's session I'll let you know the requirements, how to purchase a domain, okay, and how to go about the hosting, how to design a blog, how to publish your posts without any coding knowledge. Guys, there is no requirement of any coding knowledge, nothing. There is no requirement of any great uh, deal of technical knowledge as well to go about these things. So that will be very easy. I'll show you on how to go about it. Everything will be real time, don't worry. I'm not going to just explain the theory. I'll show you on how to work on it. Okay, so the sessions will be 3 days, 6 hours to 9 hours. So depends on the topics we discuss. So the topics will be like, you can note down how to design a WordPress blog, how to create YouTube channel and YouTube videos as well, and how to find the trending topics. Now when you are posting something on your blog, something in your YouTube account, that should be viewed by the users, otherwise there is no point, right? So how to find more trending topics, that's what we look into. I'll let you know the tools where you can find the topics, keywords and all of the stuff, and how to create content and attract audience, how to reach more number of people, how to create an AdSense account, and how to make money from Google, and how to make money from ghost writing as well. I'll let you know all the tips in the next 3 days, guys. So today it's an introduction session only anyhow. So I can see you just give your introduction. I mean, in the sense, what is your background, and what are your ideas on how to make money online? So shall we start with Pawan? Pawan, you can unmute yourself. You can speak up. Okay, fine. So I mean, your display name is coming as Pawan. So yes, Radha, and I mean, yes. So what is your background, and what are your ideas? Okay, you worked as an HR for 6 years and had a break um, for 6 years. So okay, that's pretty long career. Yes, so definitely you're welcome. I mean, ladies have a lot of opportunities to make money in the online platforms. Uh, as I said, depends on your professional. Yes, absolutely. You picked the right channel, fashion designing. So yeah, it will be there with kids. It's always difficult, but yes, you will definitely be able to make money and penetrate into the online. I'll definitely give you the tips on how to go about YouTube, and how to publish the same content in other platforms as well. Yes, absolutely, you will be able to make money out of it. That will be there. See, it depends on the topics you are going to pick up. See, the concepts will be same. Everyone will pick up the same concepts, guys, but it all depends on how you are going to make money out of it with your innovation. See, fashion designing is a concept everyone will take up, but how we are going to present it in a new manner, that is important. Okay, so how to make it organized, I'll definitely help you in that. So you can definitely learn a lot of things in the next 3 days. Yeah, sure. Yes. Next, yep, Samata, right? So you can unmute yourself, Samata. You can speak up. You're there, Samata? Okay, fine. Dr. Suresh,
Good evening, sir.
good evening.
Yes, I'm Dr. Suresh Kumar. I'm a professor
Yes.
in RVS University.
Okay.
It's an engineering college in Guntur. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, I'm planning to shoot my videos and would like to post in YouTube
Definitely.
regarding it's a GATE classes, GATE and IES classes. That's why I chosen
Okay.
this. Yes.
Definitely.
Already,
I'll
I'm a
definitely.
GATE trainer. From
Okay.
last 12 years, I have been teaching throughout India. Just I would
That's
like
great.
to enhance my skills.
Definitely. Definitely, Suresh. It will
Thank you, sir.
definitely help you around. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So yes, guys. So tomorrow we'll definitely meet up for this. Yes, Satish. You're on and off, Satish. Uh, yeah, you can introduce yourself, Satish, as well. Okay, guys, no worries. So tomorrow we'll catch up at 8 o'clock, guys. So we'll start with how to design a blog. Then I'll take you through how to design a normal website. Don't go technically that strong. We'll design a beautiful website within a short span of time. I'll show you how it takes place and how much it's going to cost you. I'll explain you all the stuff, how we can reduce the cost, okay, how we can select all the things. I'll explain you. Then I'll take you through how to go about yeah, please take MIC. I would love to go with an interactive session. um, it'll be like if one way if I'm going on speaking, I'll not know whether you people are concentrating on it or not. So I'd like to definitely go on with a session which is interactive. You can definitely ask the questions whenever it is possible in the middle of the session as well. I'll help you around in that way. So I would ask you to definitely come with an MIC tomorrow so that we can have a productive session and you people can learn more things when you are asking questions. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for joining today. We'll meet up same time tomorrow 8 o'clock, and yep, we'll look forward for the next 3 days. Thank you. Good night.